Okay, today we'll be talking about the what is Google Cloud, what is a public cloud. Public cloud is a type of computing where the resources are offered by a third party provided by the internet and shared by the organizations and individuals who want to use or purchase them. Some public cloud computing resources are available for the free while the customers may pay for the other resources through subscriptions or pay per usage pricing model. From the artificial intelligence services and developer tools to the shortage and computing competency for the virtually and workload, public clouds help companies to harness cutting edge technology and achieve global scales without shouldering the cost and the labor themselves. Public clouds contrast with the cloud models where the resources are available only to a single organization and the data enter is managed either on premises or off-site by the vendor for the organization looking for an alternative to the traditional on-premises IT architecture or other types of the cloud computing. The public cloud offers nearly infinite scalability and self-service promising provision to meet workload and the user's demand. We can learn more about why the leading companies choose Google Cloud. We also can get started. Then the public cloud defined. A public cloud is an IT model where the public cloud services provides make computing services include the compute and the software develop and deploy environments and applications available on demand to organizations and individuals over the public internet. Now let's have a difference between the private and the public cloud, which is very clear. The main difference between the public and the private cloud is where it is hosted and who is responsible for managing it. Public cloud uses shared infrastructure while the private clouds use organizations' own dedicated infrastructure. Our common clouds model include hybrid cloud which combines public and private cloud and multi-cloud where the customers employ cloud services spanning multiple public clouds. Public clouds platforms such as a Google Cloud pool resources and distributed data centers around the world that multiple companies and the user can access from the internet rather in an house team. The public cloud provider are the responsible for managing and maintaining the underlying infrastructure. As a result, leveraging public cloud services reduce IT operational cost and the frees up time for the teams to focus on the valuable work that directly benefits the business. A common public cloud example is to think of it similar to renting an apartment. You pay rent for a single unit, the building manager handles the maintenance, you share the overall space with other tenants with the security around your belongings. Private cloud is more likely to own a house where you have your own personal space that belongs to you, but you are also personally responsible for the overall care and upkeep. However, there are cases where a business may choose a private cloud to fulfill the certain requirements such as the industry or region specific compliance and the data sovereignty needs. One key caveat to this analogy is that property can't elastically scale where cloud resources can. Unlike renting an apartment that is a fixed size, you can easily scale up a public cloud apartment into a mansion. If you wanted to throw a party for a million people and scale back down to apartment the next day, the same goes for house of your own. It can only be extracted through the renovation. Private cloud requires purchasing hardware to meet demand as well as any licensing cost needs for the software application. Similarly, an on-premises IT stack can't easily accommodate the surge in traffic without staff having to purchase and install new resources, which might go unseen until the next surge or decay into the technical debt. Public cloud lets you automatically scale up your compute and supported resources along with the increased security and services you need. Uh, okay, you can solve your business challenges with the cloud, and you can get started it now, and related products and services will be discussed later. Let's have a glance, and thank you so much. We will meet in the next